Friends, today I'll be teaching you how to make an angle of 60 degrees. So beginning with the angle of 60 degrees, it is very quite easy. Now first take a pencil and a ruler, then draw a straight line using the ruler. Now take the compass, open it and take an arc of more than the half of the radius, or maybe shorter than it. Now, taking any point on the line as a center, draw a semicircle. Drawing in this way, we can easily construct a 60-degree angle. After this, with this portion of open arc in the compass, put the needle point here and put a cut mark on the semicircle arc. Then this is the point of 60-degree angle. Again, take the ruler and the pencil and join the center and the cut mark that has been drawn on the semicircle. Thus, now in this way, we have created an angle of 60 degrees.